Using a trim tool, we'll go ahead and pop these buttons and remove these. I'm going to do this all the way across the top. And then set these aside. Go ahead and tilt the grill forward and gently lift up and out. Now's a good time to go ahead and clean these spots before we install the new grill. We'll now take these tabs that are across the bottom and line them up inside here. Tilt the grill back into place. You want to go ahead and take your push pins, line them up, push them in, and push those tabs down. Do this for all six buttons.